everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to attach a file from OneDrive to your email quick and easy. So let's get started. First, log into your Microsoft account and open the app launcher at the top left corner. Now select Outlook, and once it's open, click on the new mail, and then here you will see the paperclip icon attached. From the menu, select OneDrive. Navigate through your OneDrive folders and select the file you want. For example, I want this, so I'm just selecting this. And then here you will see the share link option. So instead of share link, you have to choose attach. The file directly added to your receipt subject and message. You just have to add that because the folder you have selected is directly attached. And that's it, how you can quickly attach OneDrive files to your email. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.